We got it?
Woo!
This one is called Lacey or Lucy.
Acting like you got your suitcase packed, I can always count on that and that. Tracing all the lines inside my palm, you know I never do you harm. Laughing like you didn't forget a name last night, so girl you should. You got your suitcase packed, I swear her name was Lily, something of the sort. Stumbled to the station at 10 a.m. Got an invitation to somewhere else. Can't help yourself from thinking about where she is right now. She wouldn't let you in her house. Her name was Lacey or Lucy, something like that. She stayed for a little while, she got back on track. She was pretty as a doll and as smart as a child, but you